In this legal series, I would like to talk about Article 370, which was once in the Constitution, now has been abrogated. The abrogation has been upheld by the Supreme Court of India. The Constitution Bench of India declared the judgment on December 11, 2013 regarding the 370 article scrapping. That means the abrogation of the Article 370 from the Indian Constitution, whether valid or not. Abrogation has been upheld as a valid. So on the 5-judge Constitution bench, which declared the judgment, after declaring the judgment, more political and also views are being expressed, more criticism and more praising, and more things are exposed. The values are tested. And people, the 370 article is a temporary article which was introduced at the time in 1949 by the Indian government, and to give the important status to the Jammu and Kashmir, and to give separate constitution, separate flag within our Indian constitution. It is very bad. So very bad done by the government led by Nehru. So which was criticized by the many organization and the national organization and more. But as far as the Congress party is concerned, which was supporting the 370 article, including a smaller regional parties in Jammu and Kashmir. Even today they are saying and misguiding the people. The people began to got misguided by the government being protected by the Article 370. But now the government led by BJP, in 2019, August 5, it took a unanimous decision and announced the abrogation of the Article 370 from the Indian Constitution. And many petitions were filed against the 370 Constitution, challenging the abrogation of the 370 Constitution. Supreme Court took all the petitions into consideration, filed the cases, and it took more than 1,000 wide discussion and announced in the judgment, I think in the above 500 pages. So now the Supreme Court has confirmed the upholding of abrogation of Article 370 from Indian Constitution. But now the Jammu and Kashmir has been annexed as also Union territory, has been recognized within a territory of the Indian government. Also the recognition of Pakistan occupied Kashmir. But in the Pakistan government has expressed the view that does not hold any value as compared with the international law. International law never comes under the municipal law. It's connected with the municipal law. It takes effect. But now the abrogation of the Article 370 empowers the Indian government to take at any time the Pak-occupied Kashmir. It consists of 25 legislative assembly seats. But at any time the government may take it. But I think the Indian government should act immediately to recover our land, because our land had been lost by the central government led by Mr. Nehru. He did very much blunder, but now it has been recovered. We should do that. We should not lose our land at any time with an efforts. Otherwise, we can't protect our citizen. But now in the abrogation of Article 370 has given a confidence to the citizens of India and many national lovers. And many critics on even today are saying it is against the people of the Jammu and Kashmir. It is not so. They have been brought to the mainland. Just after 5 years of the abrogation of the Article 370, now the people have been brought back to the Indian mainstream. They are doing more business within Indian territory, and more from Indian people, they are moving to the Jammu and Kashmir territory and doing the business. We are united. They are not separated. We could see many citizens and people of Jammu and Kashmir carrying Indian flag and also avoiding the Jammu and Kashmir exclusive flags and getting the bride and giving the bride to the India. Thank you.